Once upon a time in a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a young man named Koji. Koji was known for his kindness and warm heart, but he carried a heavy burden, a habit that he felt weighed him down. One day, as Koji sat under the shade of a wise old cherry blossom tree, he decided that it was time to change his ways. He sought the guidance of Master Ryu, the village's revered Zen master, known for his wisdom and ability to simplify the complexities of life. Koji approached Master Ryu with humility and sincerity, sharing his struggle and expressing a deep desire to break free from the chains of his habit. Master Ryu, with a twinkle in his eye, invited Koji to join him on a journey. The two set out on a path that wound through the mountains and valleys. Along the way, Master Ryu spoke to Koji about the essence of self-control and the importance of understanding one's desires. He shared a simple yet profound truth: to stop a habit, one must first understand the reasons behind it. As they walked, Master Ryu pointed to a stream flowing beside the path. "See how the water moves," he said. "It flows naturally, without resistance. Similarly, the key to breaking free lies in understanding the natural flow of your thoughts and redirecting them." Koji listened attentively as Master Ryu continued, "Imagine your mind as a garden. To grow beautiful flowers, you must carefully tend to it. Identify the weeds that hinder its beauty and gently remove them. Replace those weeds with seeds of positive thoughts and actions." Master Ryu taught Koji to observe his thoughts without judgment, to understand the triggers that led to his habit. Through mindfulness and self-reflection, Koji began to recognize the patterns that kept him captive. One day, as they reached a serene mountaintop, Master Ryu handed Koji a small, smooth stone. "This represents your habit," he explained. "Hold it in your hand and feel its weight. Now, cast it away, freeing yourself from its burden." Koji hesitated, uncertain if he could let go. Master Ryu encouraged him, saying, "To break free, you must be willing to release what holds you captive." With determination in his heart, Koji threw the stone off the mountaintop, symbolizing his commitment to change. As they descended the mountain, Master Ryu reminded Koji that the journey to self-discovery is ongoing. Just as the river constantly flows, so does the stream of your thoughts. Redirect them purposefully, and you will find inner peace. Upon returning to the village, Koji felt a newfound strength within him. The journey with Master Ryu had given him the tools to understand and overcome his habit. With each passing day, he cultivated a garden of positive thoughts and actions, and the once heavy burden lifted. The villagers noticed the change in Koji, his radiant smile and the lightness in his step. When asked about his transformation, Koji humbly shared the wisdom he had gained on his journey with Master Ryu. Inspired by his story, others in the village began their own journeys toward self-discovery and positive change. And so, the village thrived as its people embraced the timeless wisdom of Master Ryu, learning to navigate the streams of their thoughts and create gardens of inner peace.